Hey, many times you use the emoji panel available on your mobile's keyboard to search for various emojis and use them. But there is no emoji panel on your computer's keyboard. Don't worry, I am going to show you how you can have a similar panel for emojis on your Windows computer. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So let's go ahead. There are two ways. The first way is only for users using Windows 10 or higher versions. Whenever you want to have an emojis panel right on your screen, just hit Windows and period. Boom. The emoji panel will pop up right in front of you. Now you can enter the desired emojis by just clicking on them. The second way is for all users, irrespective of the OS they are using. Go to your web browser, open this website. Now you can have all your emojis from here. Find your desired emoji by searching for it and copy the desired one and use it anywhere. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.